have a look at my latest blog for my gut healing smoothie bowl, which includes a base with some plant milk, some papaya, which is high in digestive enzymes, as well as some kiwi, also high in vitamin C and prebiotics. Adding in the blueberries, high in antioxidants, as well as the seeds, chia, milled flax, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds. Also with a base with some super elixir greens, vegan nourishing protein that I formulated for Wellco, as well as our Rejuve Digestive Complex powder, which is packed full of pre and probiotics, amazing to heal the gut, boost your immune system, great for leaky gut. If you have any fungus, parasites, IBS, a fantastic smoothie to heal your gut, tastes delicious. You can have it as a snack, as a meal replacement, post-workout. Even tonight, tomorrow morning, I'm going to be catching a flight, so it's a fantastic meal if you want to be eating light in the evenings as well.